Hello dear students, your Pushpa madam is back. In the last videos, I was discussed you about the four crustacean specimens, that is Pinais, Pelaman, Astacus and Pelinurus. And later in the second part of Arthropoda, I was started with the study of few crustacean larvae. So the first one we already discussed is the Nauplius larva in the last video. Today I will going to discuss you about the Zoea larva. Zoea, Z-O-E-A, Zoea larva. It is the name of the larva. Here, if you consider the structure of this larva, the body of this larva consists of large unsegmented cephalothorax and long segmented abdomen. If you see the specimen with the help of diagram, the body consists of large, very large unsegmented cephalothorax. That means the cephalothorax is unsegmented and it has a long segmented abdomen. If you observe the abdomen, it is long and also it is segmented. And Zoea is the fourth larval stage in the development of crustaceans. So we studied Nauplius larva. It is the first larval stage in the development of most of the crustaceans, and here Zoea is the fourth larval stage in the development of crustaceans. So the stage of the larva is very important. When you are presenting the answer, you need to tell the larval stage, whether it is the first stage, second stage or final stage, like that. So Nauplius is the first larval stage. Okay, and a Zoea is the fourth larval stage in the development of crustaceans. If you consider the structure, it consists of unsegmented cephalothorax and long segmented abdomen. Okay, now let us consider the cephalothoracic region. The cephalothorax, that is cephalon, head and thorax fused to form a cephalothorax. The cephalothoracic region is produced into a anterior rostrum. Anterior rostrum. If you observe the diagram, you can see in the anterior region or in the head region. Okay, that protruded structure we called it as the rostrum. A median dorsal spine. A median dorsal spine. So on the head region, in the median region, you can see one spine. It is on the dorsal surface, hence it is called as a median dorsal spine, and two lateral eyes. In addition to that, the cephalothorax also, and that means the head region also consists of paired lateral movable stalked compound eyes are present. These are the structures in the cephalon region or the head region. Okay, the cephalothoracic region is produced. The cephalothoracic region is produced into a anterior rostrum. Anterior rostrum. A median dorsal spine, two lateral spines. Okay, and paired lateral movable stalked compound eyes are present. Head regionally, in the head region. Come to the thoracic region. Thoracic region is unsegmented. I was already told cephalothoracic is unsegmented. Thoracic is unsegmented and rudimentary at its end. And it is rudimentary. It is unsegmented. And it consists of 6 pairs of thoracic appendages developed as buds. Okay, so it is that is thoracic is unsegmented and rudimentary at its hinder end. Hinder end it is rudimentary, but it consists of 6 thoracic appendages developed as a buds. 6 thoracic appendages. So in futurally ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, they develop into appendages, but in Zoea stage you can see the 6 thoracic appendages, they are present in the form of buds. So in the diagram you showed already, so just have a look. Then come to the first and second pairs of maxillipids are well developed. In the diagram we mentioned first and second pairs of maxillipids are well developed. Come to the abdominal region. Abdomen, I was already told you, it is long and segmented. It consists of 6 segments but divide of appendages. No appendages are present in the abdominal region. The last segment of the abdomen bears the caudal fork. Caudal means tail. Caudal fork like structure is there in the last abdominal segment. Just you have the look of the diagram. And zoea changes into the last stage called as the mysis. Okay, next this zoea undergoes the process of metamorphosis, means changes, then it is converted into next larval stage. The name of the larva we called it as the mysis larva. So these are the comments, these are the points we need to mention in the practical examination. Okay, zoea larva, the body consists of large unsegmented cephalothorax and segmented abdomen. It is the 4th larval stage in the development of the crustaceans. Carapace that covers the cephalothoracic region and that produced into okay, that carapace produced into anterior rostrum, a medial dorsal spine, 2 lateral spines, paired lateral movable stalked compounds are also present in the cephalon region, in the head region. These structures are produced by the carapace. That carapace cover the cephalothoracic region. Come to the thoracic region. Thorax is unsegmented and rudimentary at its hinder part, and it contains 6 pairs of thoracic appendages develop as buds. They are present in the form of buds. Later in the mysis larva, those buds develop into 6 pairs of appendages. First and second pairs of maxillipids are well developed in zoea stage itself. And come to the abdomen. Abdomen consists of 6 segments and divide of appendages, no appendages. The last segment of the abdomen bears the caudal fork. The zoea changes into the last stage, we called it as the mysis. Please listen my explanatory part by keeping the diagram in front of you girls. Thank you.